Allah reminds us, "Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest." And isn't that what we're all looking for? Rest, peace, and balance. Prayer isn't just about rituals. It's about connection. Connecting with our Creator, grounding ourselves, and finding clarity in a world that constantly pulls us in different directions. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The closest a servant can be to his Lord is when he is in prostration." When we put our foreheads on the ground in sujood, we're not just surrendering physically. We're surrendering emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. It's a moment of ultimate humility and trust. 5 times a day, we are called to pause, to step away from emails, deadlines, and distractions, to reconnect with what truly matters. When I stand in prayer and recite verses from the Quran, I feel like the noise of the world fades away. Oh, you who have believed, seek help through patience and prayer. Indeed, Allah is with the patient. Prayer teaches us patience, gratitude, and the ability to let go of things beyond our control. If you're feeling overwhelmed, if life feels chaotic, pause. Take a moment to pray. Whether it's your daily salah, dua in the middle of the night, or just sitting in reflection with Allah, prayer brings balance, and that balance can change everything. I'd love to hear from you. How has prayer brought balance to your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.